Understanding Tendon Transfer, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a medical term, tendon transfer. This phrase might sound complex, but we'll break it down in a simple and understandable way. Stay tuned to learn more about it. Before diving into tendon transfer, it's essential to understand what a tendon is. Tendons are fibrous connective tissues that attach muscles to bones. They play a vital role in helping us move our body parts. Think of them as sturdy cords that pull on our bones when muscles contract. The word transfer in general English usage means to move something from one place to another. In medical terms, it retains a similar meaning but is applied in a specific context, which we will explore next. Now, let's combine the two concepts. Tendon transfer is a type of surgical procedure. In this process, a tendon, along with its muscle, is moved from its original attachment to a new one. This is done to restore function or improve movement in a part of the body, often after injury or a medical condition that has affected the muscles. Understanding the purpose of tendon transfer helps in comprehending its importance. This procedure is typically done to restore lost functions in limbs, in cases where muscles are paralyzed or severely weakened, as a part of reconstructive surgery, particularly after accidents or certain illnesses. In this section, we delve into the basic steps of the procedure, without getting too medical. 1. Identification. The surgeon identifies the tendon to be transferred and the new site where it will be attached. 2. Transferring. The tendon is carefully detached from its original position and rerouted to the new location. 3. Reattachment. The tendon is then attached to the bone or another tendon in the new location. 4. Rehabilitation. Post-surgery, rehabilitation is crucial for recovery and regaining movement. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of tendon transfer. Remember, it's a medical procedure aimed at improving movement and functionality in parts of the body affected by injury or illness. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.